Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone are doing great. Today we are heading out to a cafe in Mysore Road. This is a most famous cafe of Bangalore. Generally it is a place where people hang out for the weekends. Now there are n number of cafes, but this one is one of the oldest and very famous too. So the name is Rastha. We chose Mysore Road, so we thought we'll go till Rastha and then head back home. It's gonna be around 50 plus 50, 100 kilometers of a ride. The Bangalore is getting back with its traffic again. So from now on, it seems we are piling up the traffic. That too on a weekend, Saturday. Crazy. Traffic, man. Acha. Left ko chidi free ga undi.